We have all the varieties. We have the lycra, we have the burkini, and this is the men's section, and this is the kids section. We have all the kids Hawaiian shirts, and also we have a waterproof diapers for the babies, and we have the normal diapers as well. More dresses. You can buy a Manabe towel. It's a branded towel. We have different colors and designs. You can choose whatever you like. Now let me take you to our sugar heaven. This is where kids go crazy. We have all kinds of sweets, all kinds of candy. Of course, this is all imported. Everything here is imported. If you want to take underwater pictures, we are selling these waterproof cases. On your way out, you can visit our photo booth, Memories, and they will showcase all your pictures on the screen. If you liked anything, you can purchase it and they will print it for you and put it in this paper folder. And this is our exit point. So you exit from here and then your driver can pick you up from this part.